Good day inside the lane. So we have a brand new episode. The title is Season Recap, built for the next level. So here, no, it's a marketing place. So something is to engineered for the superior performance, no, coach, no, parang here we're advanced capabilities na to the next level. So what is this, Coach Micah?
So just to summarize muna, coach, it is related to the season recap. So for year 2025, it's really an exceptional year, full of challenges and changes. But the program, the coaching staff, the swimmers coped up really well. And the training group is really intact. Intact din sila. And diverse. Kasi what made it special uh, is that there are fast swimmers, there are somewhat fast swimmers, and then it makes the training group really well in terms of team morale, having fun, yan, having fun and enjoying the sport and loving the sport. So, ayun, intact siya. Tapos yung specifics and program development, uh, mas nagpo-progress siya along the way. So, ayun, in-assess ko naman siya through our data. It's really progressing really well. So ayun. And then for the next level, upcoming level, looking forward ako sa 2026. Kasi ano, um, every year there should be something special and extraordinary that will happen. And ano, coach, kasama dun yung ano natin, program for higher level of swimming. And ayan, i-announce yun ng team administrator natin. Ayan, sa ano, lahat ng platforms and i-re-release yun officially. So, yun, looking forward ako doon kasi ayan, si-spearhead natin yan, both of us. And um, having that results-driven kind of year, yun yung isa sa mga nilook forward ko for the upcoming year. And of course, nandun pa rin yung ano, yung Rapids culture of ano, resiliency. And ayun, dun sa upcoming ano natin, higher program of swimming, uh, hopefully maging contagious siya. Yun pala, coach, yung isa kong ano, maging contagious na, ganito pala yung
Okay.
ano nila,
Mm.
kind of program, ganito yung ginagawa nila. And ayun,
Mm.
we're going to make a huge impact and difference dun sa buhay nung ano, nung swimmer na yun. So, yun. Or nung mga swimmer na yun na magiging part ng program na yun. So, yeah. And of course, yung mga ano, syempre on the pipeline. Yun pala. We have a really, really good pipeline sa program natin. There's a lot of talents. So, yun. Looking forward ako. Ikaw ba, coach? How's ano, the season recap and next
Yeah.
level that you're ano, looking forward to?
Actually, looking forward ako dun sa next level natin, no. Ito namang 2025, we have finished the year strong actually, no. So, looking forward na tayo dun sa build for the next level. That is, yeah, for yung further studies natin, research and development to going to the different countries. Yeah, and then designing the program for the um, high caliber to elite swimming. So doon ako actually excited, Coach Micah. So looking forward for the next level. Hindi lang next level, next big thing for the South Rapids program. Yan, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you, Coach Ronald. Happy
Thank you.
holidays.
Happy holidays.